LCD touchscreen, 4.3-inch LCD display touchscreen, easy to operate. This 2019 new upgrade Type D3 Hero 3D printer is an all-in-one machine, moving all components into a compact base under the printing bed. Save more space for you. 3 print models available. You can use your D3 Hero 3D printer to printing 2-color duplicate mirror model. The maximum print size is 300*300*350 mm. Multi-printing material available. Our D3 Hero 3D printer works on sorts of materials, such as 1.75 mm PLA, TPU, PVA, PP, ABS, wood and so on. The maximum printing speed is 180 mm per second, recommended print speed is 50 mm per second specifically to set up according to your model. Dual Z-axis design. The dual extruders avoid the problem of leftover material contamination compared to single extruder.